Hey guys, tonight we are going to look at palm lighting. Lighting your palm trees up at night. So somebody recently asked me, and it was a person in town, not on the internet, if we have lighting on our palm trees. And yeah, Wendy, my partner, she lights up the palm trees. So these are LED lights. They use very little electricity and they don't give off any heat. So the trunks are done, but we have to do more on this one because it's grown so much, and she put those lights on, so she's still got another 5 feet of trunk to do on this one at least. And then this one she just recently did. I think she did that one in the summertime. They stay on year round. Let's get this flashlight here, and come on, Kahu, and show you it's a jungle out here, man, and it's beautiful. You know, we're past mid-November now, and it's palmy and balmy. Seasonal weather I love on Salt Spring Island. Now I set some sensor lights up here. Oh, those ones aren't on. Ah, that one had lights on it and they're not on, so they must have burnt out. But we have another really big palm tree out here, and the lights should be on. Let's see. This one she put rope lights on, so you can see them up the trunk. And that palm planted in 1987, so and you know what? It's grown more in the trunk, so it's got to be added to. It's grown that much of trunk. Another 4 feet or so of trunk needs to be done, and then it will look just superb. So that's what they look like with lighting on them. Just do the trunks. You can actually do spotlights on them as well. And wow, what a night. It's clear out here. It's absolutely gorgeous. So palm trees with lights, folks. I think they look pretty nice. When the lights go out on Salt Spring Island, it is dark. Really dark. Watch, there's my sensor light. There we go. Ah, and that's solar too, which is even cooler. All right, guys. Through the jungle at night. This is what jungle garden looks like at night. It's calm out here. And a sky full of stars. It's beautiful. It's calm. And it's very palmy. And then we'll go back to here where we started in our courtyard. And you can see the lights on these palm trees here. They're Trachycarpus palms. And like I say, don't give up any heat. I know some people in cooler climates like to put C9s and C7s on them for heat, but these don't generate heat. They're all show and no go. But, well, they are go because they're for show, right? They just don't heat the palms in the winter. So there you go. Palm trees lit up at night in the great white north. And I'll shine this on the fronds. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at it. Just a beautiful palm tree. Thriving in our northern. Look at the avocados. Avocados are still going too. We haven't had any cold weather. There's avocado there too. Hydrangeas are blooming. There's so much stuff blooming right now. It's just we have not had any cold. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and light up your own palm trees. Cheers to you.